Hey, good morning out there, Grandpa. A400. We're waving a big old good morning your way. 5-1 right back. Hey, I ain't got the best conditions, Grandpa, but good morning out there, 5-1 Virginia. We hear that big old shout.
Went for a walk with his grandpa. Hey, 711, he went for a walk with his grandpa there, but big old state like Virginia. How could you lose Virginia? Well, I guess I could lose anybody. More time around the great. That's right. That's exactly right. That's what I said. And I need some talk time. I ain't gonna stay long, man. Maybe I'll have to eat.
Hey, Grandpa, it's bouncing off all this snow up here and going everywhere is what it is. Hey, Grandpa, 5-1 Virginia trying to bounce off this snow. Good morning out there.
I'm gone. Good morning. I heard somebody say good morning out here. Oh, Grandpa Jones can punch 28, but are you coming back? Oh, Grandpa on the west side. Come on, make me.
Hey, it's 5-1 Virginia trying it one more time. Grandpa, 51 Virginia. Hey, Grandpa, we're trying to get this signal through the snow. 51 saying good morning.
Yeah, I'm going to say hello to 5-1 in Virginia, too, man. Hey, 5-1 Virginia. Oh, John Denver going to try and say hello to you also. Try to get you on this video gate there, break it. Hey, 5-1 Virginia. Oh, Grandpa said hello. Have a good day. God bless.
Hey, I heard you there, John Denver, while you got that video gate rolling. Grandpa, you have a good night there, Mr. 400. Good morning to you. Hey, John Denver, we heard you 51 say good morning.
Alright, that 5-1 was a hell of rough out there, man. I thought I might get you in this little video game, see if I could, see if it's gonna work right. And then I'm still trying, I'm gonna start playing it live on Pow Talk later on once I figure it all out. Hey, 5-1 Virginia, take care. John Denver's sitting back. Right?
John Denver, you have a good night. Yeah, old Mother Nature kind of crazy in Virginia right now, but she's getting better all the time. Take care, John Denver, 51 Virginia, and I got the gate rolling also. We catch you.
Wow. Don't know who it was, but there was some station out there.
Joe. Hey, John Denver. Old Stump Denver said, sing him a song. Hey, John Denver. Stump Denver wants to hear a little singing. 51 back out.
Good morning, Grandpa Jones, Copperhead Blair.
Over this and change again.
How you doing, Copperhead? Grandpa Jones, old Stump Jumper did.
Stump Jumper, Grandpa Jones. Stump Jumper, old Grandpa. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man, look at there, Grandpa Jones. Hey, old Stump Jumper got a whole room full of you there. Me, old 51, sitting here talking just some local there. I was wanting to ask John Denver to sing me one of them pretty songs he's got.
Will you tell that old red-headed stranger that calls Grandpa Jones a butt chicken, but I said hello, Stump Jumper. Hey, Grandpa Jones, 10 more there already. You have yourself a good weekend. Old Stump Jumper, catch you later. All right, Stump Jumper, you have a good weekend too. Grandpa Jones there with a wave.
Have a good weekend, Grandpa Jones. 5-1 Virginia. Back listening to that Stump.
Jumper still like Grandpa Jones, old Copperhead waving a hand at him. I can't seem to get a hold of him. Hello, Copperhead down.
Hey, Copperhead, I hear you now. Boss got you there. You sound good there, baby. Copperhead, I'll let you step different.
I didn't know if you were going to come back or not, sir.
Yeah, he wanted to tell Grandpa hello, but he's hearing him now. They're talking to each other.
I like that one this morning. Okay. All right, I'll tell her. Yeah. Old Copperhead back, Jimmy Grant. easy. Sounded good, Copperhead. You take care. 47 Mount Virginia. The backwoods sit there if we go.
I heard you out there. Just wanted to say hello.
And for righty. Thank you very much for the comeback. You're a 711 in there, too. Catch you guys later. Old Copperhead back in the grass. All right, Copperhead, have a good one. 47 Mount Virginia sit there if we go.